Oh, that's where all the cool stuff starts.
I don't know where the lights are either.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
Cold start. Anyways, how's it going, guys? It's been a while since I held a camera. This is not gonna be a very exciting video. I will just get that out of the way right now. This is not gonna be fun, it's not gonna be exciting. Some of you might like it, but overall, it's not like a race video or working on anything. I got a new shop. Whoa! I'll explain it later once we actually get there. Right now, I gotta go meet Nick because me and him are actually moving into it together, and we're gonna get our keys today. So later on, you guys will probably be seeing the inside of the shop. So hope you like it. This is it. We're actually here to get our keys, but Nick had to pee and we found out that the door is open. So Nick has already walked inside, and this will be my first time walking inside of here.
Oh, that's where all the cool stuff starts.
What this place used to be was actually like a heat and AC kind of place. They used to work on air conditioning units, and they were moving out, so we're taking over.
Toilet works.
Which one?
I don't know, the first one I found.
Oh, well, are you turning the light on? I don't know where the lights are either. I don't want to turn the camera around until we have like all the lights on because it's real cool. What? How big is this place? 2,000 square feet?
Yeah.
So we got a 2,000 square foot, not office space, but like a space with an office space within this one shop, and it's overall 2,000 square feet, all just us, just me and Nick. So this shit's about to be lit. Nick's got his black Porsche, the Cayman, that we picked up at the same time that I got Payday. We both actually bought them online from Carvana. Okay, that's the lights. Oh, we're gonna need some more lights in here. This is kind of dim. Oh, well, we can work on that. Anyways, Nick's got his Porsche. I got Payday. We got Zoe. I also have Gary, the Eclipse, that has not been shown on YouTube yet, but that'll be coming eventually. Just, I know you're gonna comment about it, but chill out. And lastly, I think we have the motorcycle, the Victory. All right, anyways, I don't need to stand here and not let y'all see this. Here's the new shop space.
Yo, we got storage, bro.
Damn, we can. How sturdy is it up there?
Yeah.
This is the new space. 2,000 square feet of office space, another office space, and an office space. And then all this room here for probably 4 or 5 cars that are gonna eventually end up in here. So this is my first big investment towards the YouTube channel besides buying a Mustang, is upgrading space.
Yeah, boy.
How's it looking there?
It's just like a router room.
Ah, okay. Let's look around. I actually, like, we haven't got to look around here at all. All we did was like briefly come in because this used to be another business, and we were like, oh yeah, it looks good. Definitely, we'll take it. So we haven't been here in like 2 months because we've been waiting for them to move out. So
We gonna have to clean, man.
yeah, it's pretty dirty in
So
here.
we got an office here, full bathroom with
Full
a shower.
bathroom. Probably gonna come in handy considering how much nasty shit we do with cars. They have a full, wow, that's real gross. We'll clean that and it'll be good. But we got a half bathroom with just a toilet, and then we have a full bathroom with a shower. Whoa, this is just cool. This is a whole new feeling. Wow, this is fucking filthy. There's shit everywhere in here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be whenever we move in here, we're gonna be cleaning. I actually have probably 2 or 3 other videos already recorded that I should be editing and putting up before this one, but this one is going to be the next video that you guys see. So this is actually like almost real time that you're seeing this compared to me recording it. That's because over the next month probably, we're gonna be setting up this entire space as well as moving out of my old garage and moving Nick's stuff into here along with all my stuff. And I have no idea how long that's gonna be or how difficult it's gonna be. I just know that we got a lot of stuff to move. So if I don't upload in the next week, this is why. So yeah, we have 2 bay doors on this side and this side. probably gonna get a lift in here at some point in the future, but for now it's just #1 goal is getting everything in here. This place honestly is filthy. It was not this filthy whenever we first looked at it, but seeing it now, you can tell that as they were moving out, they really were not really worried about keeping the place clean. Like there's just dirt everywhere. The floors are all messed up. But here's another space. There's a surprising amount of storage in here, like not just there, but there's also a lot of space this way. And then also there's actually a decent bit of vertical storage, which is a big deal. Meaning like even up there where you saw Nick earlier. How sturdy was this?
Solid one.
Really? Ooh, this actually is very solid. But anyway, ooh. We got some shelves up here. Even though I do already have shelving at home in the garage that I've been in, it's nice to have even more because I'm sure that, I mean, even in the garage, I was already running out of space. So this is definitely a nice upgrade. And another huge bonus. See this, all that going across there, even to there. We have AC and heat.
There's fucking spiders everywhere, dude.
Is it really?
Not like infested, just like this place just has like random.
It's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
So, like I said, it needs some cleaning. A lot of cleaning. How are outlets? Ooh, hell yeah, there is outlets everywhere. None on this wall, but you got outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there. Dude, we got outlets everywhere. All right, well, it is obviously after work now, and we get in the Durango. If it'll start, I'm gonna start moving some stuff. Oh shit, the wall almost close. What?
I hope it starts.
I hope it starts too. Let's find out. Oh, hell yeah. Issue is that the fuel pump does not kick on all the time. Ah, this would be mighty unfortunate if this shit didn't start. If it gets started, it'll stay running. I just need it to start.
Let's go,
Hang
Durango.
on. Shh. Let me try this, just out of curiosity. Sometimes, if you clear the codes, it'll start. All right, we got our code reader plugged in. Hell yeah. It's gonna start. I heard the fuel pump and I was like, hell yeah. All right.
Just need to be stimulated.
Yeah. Okay, so now we cannot turn the car off again. Just to let you guys know, the car has to stay running. All right, we get to drive this thing across town with one headlight.
Whoa. One headlight?
One headlight.
Who's calling me? Oh, fuck.
You want to answer that before I start this?
Maybe. What?
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde checa?
What? Me and Daniel are about to, we're moving stuff. His car's about to be roll out. What you want?
Okay, I'm gonna pull up now.
Pull up where? I don't know what you said. Bye.
Anyways, bye. It's about to get noisy.
She's home. Hell yeah. Here you go.
Thanks, man. God, how the... What the fuck? Where did all that come from? Yeah. So how does it feel to have your car and your new shop?
Hey, in our new shop.
Our new shop, you're
That's
right.
pretty dope.
The following day.
Oh! Yo! Yo! Yo!
Yo.
What's up? You want to vlog? You want this? No, I was saying, do you want to vlog yourself?
Oh, vlog myself. Is this how you do this?
Yep, just like that.
What's going on, guys? Like that? Is that how you do it?
Yep, that's exactly how you do it. Good energy.
You have to have energy. So like this is my normal mood right here. I'm just chill. But then I imagine if I were try to make a living from YouTube, I would have to do the whole. Hey guys, what's going on? We've got a new shop here today. I am freaking stoked. Oh my gosh, my man Zorby here.
You should definitely just carry a camera with you everywhere.
No, that
Kill
sounds
it.
fucking horrible.
You got it, bro.
Yeah.
That's all you.
It's a switch. That's what it fucking is. Here, you gonna take this thing? I don't want this thing.
All right. Anyways, we are actually unloading the last car load or the Durango load, I guess we can call it, of stuff out of the garage. All that's left is,
Where you want this?
I'm stuffing it in that room to the right. I'm just gonna throw it on the corner for now.
Alright, that's
So-
what I do with my problems.
What, just throw them away?
Just
Ignore 'em?
Just stuff them away until there's no more room.
We're getting the last load of stuff out of the garage right now. Everything out of the shelves, off the floor, all the jacks. I actually got all the tools out already, all the car parts, and all that's left is the shelving that I had in there, and then also my workbench, and then the blown engine that we just took out of the car a few months ago. So now that we got everything moved, I guess check it out. This is very incomplete and definitely not where everything's gonna go for now, but it's at least a place to start. So of course we have all the old car parts, Eclipse exhaust and stuff like that, parts to install. Old parts kind of like radiators and old OEM fans, spare tires. Everything's gonna be going up there as much as possible so it's out of the way, spare tires. And then in here, we're probably gonna use this as a parts room. So we have all the fluids, all the cleaning supplies are gonna be right there. And here, of course, the interior from Zoe is definitely, it hadn't been thrown away yet or sold. So before throwing it away, I think I'm probably gonna go ahead and put the dash back in the car, which is kinda against everything I've ever said, but I'm gonna try and do it just because it look a little bit prettier. That's the shop. Ooh, I had an idea earlier. We need to come up with a name for this place, so we don't just call it the shop, because that's pretty lame. What if we called it the Hole?
Oh, the hole.
Yeah.
Tell you what, we'll write that down as an idea.
You got any ideas?
We'll make a list like we did with Payday. That worked out well.
Yeah, that did work out pretty well.
Yep. Which means to come up with a good name, we gotta go get drunk in an airport again.
Yeah, fun story. We got the name Payday for the Mustang by getting absolutely shit-faced in an airport whenever we had like a 4-hour
We were in
layover.
Atlanta. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's where we were.
Something like that.
We'll come up with something. I'm not sold on the hole yet, but I'm not turned off by it.
I guess that's gonna be all for this video. Just wanted to quickly film this if possible. We're gonna be organizing and moving in here a little bit more over the next few days, so I just wanted to get something that I could edit very quickly instead of trying to do some bigger project at least. So yeah, I don't know what's coming next, but
Remember, kids. What? If you ain't Birkin, you ain't working. You fucking.
all right, that's it. Bye everybody. Oh, also use code Zorby20 for Dr. Squatch and get 20% off. That's it.
Yeah, get some salt. He needs some money. Cause we need a lift.
Yeah. Buy soap so that way we can get a lift. All right. Now that's all.